Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about Mivi Smart Charger. This is a Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge certified charger. When you open the box, these are the contents of the box. First, you get a Mivi certified sticker. Not much useful because it's just a smart charger. Then you have the power brick itself. Okay, so that's the charger. These are the 5 USB ports, and on the other side, when you flip it, there is a this is where you connect your power cord. Okay, and lastly you have the power cord. That's it. That's all you get in the box. And let's move on to the review. I have been using this charger for almost about a week now. The best thing about it is that I was able to charge my 2 mobile phones and my power bank at the same time, all in one location, not being plugged to different wall sockets. And moreover, the USB quick charge 3.0 port was really helpful when I was charging my 20,000 mAh power bank, and it saved me a lot of time, I can say. Normally it used to take around 8 to 9 hours for me to charge it. Now it takes around 6 hours to charge, so I was able to save some time on that. I think this will be a valid purchase for a very long time. And that's all. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I'm hoping to buy some more stuff so that I can do unboxing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.